الحمد لله رب العالمين الصلاة والسلام على خاتم النبيين وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قال الله تعالى في سورة البقرة واتبعوا ما تتلو الشياطين على ملك سليمان وما كفر سليمان ولكن الشياطين كفروا يعلمون الناس السحر. Translation. And they followed what devils, shaitans, used to recite during the kingdom of Sulaiman. And Sulaiman had never denied belief, but it was shaitans, devils, who disbelieved, teaching magic to people. In the previous ayah, we saw that Jews threw Torah behind their backs and they left the commandments and predictions and all the hikmah and all the guidance of Torah, and they got involved in the magic. And Sulaiman alayhi salam was one of the prophets of Bani Israel, and during his time Allah made the jinns follow his orders, and that was the reason that the jinns and the humans had lots of interaction, and some of the humans at that time learned the magic from the dirty filthy jinns that were the devils. And they said that we learned it from Sulaiman alayhi salam, but Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has clearly said in this ayah that Sulaiman alayhi salam did not do the kufr and he did not teach the people magic. So the magic is kufr, and how it is kufr? Because in magic the help is asked from the devils, and whenever help is asked other than Allah, it is kufr. Asking a day-to-day help from someone is not kufr, but asking the help for from some anyone, from asking the help from anyone without thinking that the help will come from Allah is kufr. Like in a magician only ask help from the devil, and in doing that what he has to do, he has to be devoid from the zikr of Allah, he has to be filthy, he has to be smelly and dirty, and he has to be doing all the bad deeds to get those devils in control who will do the magic for him. So Sulaiman alayhi salam did not do magic and he did not do kufr. Now, one thing we should see that in this ayah there will be a mention of two angels, Harut and Marut, and inshallah we will study them about them tomorrow. And they also taught the some magic which was different, and we will talk about it tomorrow. Now, the prophets of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala are also given some miracles, and those are very different from the magic. In the magic, the devils are the intermediary, or they are doing those actions, while in the miracles of Prophet Muhammad, the miracles of prophets, the command of Allah does the action. Like for instance, when Allah commanded the fire, it became peace on Ibrahim alayhi salam, and when Allah commanded the staff of Musa alayhi salam, did so many miracles for him. There is another thing which is called amal. What it is, that if there is some amal with the Quran or with other things that does not cause any harm to anyone, that may be permissible. However, any amal that is causing harm to anyone is called fisq and it is haram. So let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us the guidance and give us the vision that we use Quran for understanding the commandments and acting on the commandments of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And may Allah help us to stay away from all these dirty tricks and magics that people do, oh Allah. Inshallah, we will continue this ayah tomorrow. Wa akhiru dawana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.